Hi friends, welcome to Bright Learners. Today we're going to learn 100 daily routine English sentences. Are you ready? Let's get started. I wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning. I wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I open the curtains. I open the curtains. I open the windows. I open the windows. I make my bed. I make my bed. I check my phone. I check my phone. I wash my face. I wash my face. I splash water on my face. I splash water on my face. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a quick shower. I take a quick shower. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I apply moisturizer. I apply moisturizer. I drink a glass of warm water. I drink a glass of warm water. I practice yoga at home. I practice yoga at home. I meditate for 20 minutes. I meditate for 20 minutes. I do some stretches. I do some stretches. I go for a jog. I go for a jog. I walk my dog in the park. I walk my dog in the park. I water the plants. I water the plants. I put on makeup. I put on makeup. I apply lipstick. I apply lipstick. I spray perfume. I spray perfume. I prepare breakfast. I prepare breakfast. I have a healthy breakfast. I have a healthy breakfast. I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. I drink milk in the morning. I drink milk in the morning. I make coffee. I make coffee. I have a cup of coffee. I have a cup of coffee. I take my vitamins. I take my vitamins. I pack my lunchbox. I pack my lunchbox. I put on my coat. I put on my coat. I wear my favorite hat. I wear my favorite hat. I get dressed in the bedroom. I get dressed in the bedroom. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I put on my uniform. I put on my uniform. I check the time. I check the time. I grab my bag. I grab my bag. I leave home at 7:50 a.m. I leave home at 7:50 a.m. I lock the door. I lock the door. I listen to music. I listen to music. I listen to a podcast. I listen to a podcast. I catch the bus at 8 a.m. I catch the bus at 8 a.m. I walk to school. I walk to school. I drive my car to work. I drive my car to work. I arrive at work at 8:30 a.m. I arrive at work at 8:30 a.m. I start studying at 8:30 a.m. I start studying at 8:30 a.m. I start working at 9 a.m. I start working at 9 a.m. I work on the computer. I work on the computer. I check my emails. I check my emails. I attend meetings. I attend meetings. I talk with my colleagues. I talk with my colleagues. I have a discussion with my classmates every day. I have a discussion with my classmates every day. I take a lunch break. I take a lunch break. I have lunch at noon. I have lunch at noon. I eat lunch with my coworkers. I eat lunch with my coworkers. I drink water at work. I drink water at work. I take a short nap during my break time. I take a short nap during my break time. I have afternoon tea. I have afternoon tea. I eat a small snack. I eat a small snack. I finish school at 3 p.m. I finish school at 3 p.m. I finish work at 6 p.m. I finish work at 6 p.m. I leave work at 6:30 p.m. I leave work at 6:30 p.m. I go home. I go home. I go to the gym. I go to the gym. I go grocery shopping. I go grocery shopping. I ride my bike. I ride my bike. I wash my car. I wash my car. I call my parents every day. I call my parents every day. I play with my pet. I play with my pet. I feed my dog. I feed my dog. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I have dinner with my family. I have dinner with my family. I go out with friends. I go out with friends. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I load the dishwasher. I load the dishwasher. I wipe the table after dinner. I wipe the table after dinner. I dust the furniture. I dust the furniture. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I mop the floor. I mop the floor. I vacuum the floor. I vacuum the floor. I put dirty clothes in the basket. I put dirty clothes in the basket. I do my homework. I do my homework. I relax on the sofa. I relax on the sofa. I watch TV. I watch TV. I check the weather forecast. I check the weather forecast. I surf the internet. I surf the internet. I brush my teeth again. I brush my teeth again. I floss my teeth every night. I floss my teeth every night. I take a shower at night. I take a shower at night. I get into my pajamas. I get into my pajamas. I read a book in bed. I read a book in bed. I clip my nails. I clip my nails. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I lock the door. I lock the door. I go to bed late. I go to bed late. I fall asleep. I fall asleep. I get enough rest. I get enough rest. Great job today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.